Moth version B by Jeremiah Morelli. Special treatment version 3 starts with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the lightest areas on the moth's wings. So these are the beads that we see sparkling from the lightest areas of the wings, right over here, and here as well, and right there. And for version 2, we now add desert crystals that we have sprinkled on the brown areas of the moth's wings. So looking closely, here are the desert crystals that we have simply scattered and sprinkled on the moth's wings. For version 3, we add ice crystals that we have sprinkled in the blue background. So simply place it in the blue areas in the background. And also for version 3, we add blue fireflies that you also sprinkle in the blue areas in the background. And these will be the ones that will glow in the dark and will really give your Jeremiah Morelli a nice magical feel. Once again, for Jeremiah Morelli's The Moth version B, we have electric diamonds, desert crystals, ice crystals, and blue fireflies.